Google ADK versus OpenAI SDK, choosing the right AI development kit can completely change how you build intelligent applications without complex setup. We'll explore Google ADK and OpenAI SDK, highlighting their main differences and benefits. Google ADK and OpenAI SDK are two powerful AI development kits designed to integrate AI into applications. The core difference lies in Google ADK's focus on seamless Google ecosystem integration, while OpenAI SDK emphasizes cutting-edge language model capabilities and flexibility. Google ADK is a comprehensive AI development kit provided by Google, designed to simplify the integration of AI features into apps. It offers pre-built tools and APIs that connect easily with Google Cloud services, enabling developers to leverage speech recognition, natural language understanding, and vision AI. Google ADK works by providing modular components that handle data processing and AI model deployment within the Google ecosystem. Its strengths include robust scalability, security, and seamless compatibility with Google's cloud infrastructure, making it ideal for enterprises already invested in Google Cloud. However, its limitations include a steeper learning curve for developers unfamiliar with Google Cloud and less flexibility in customizing AI models compared to open frameworks. The ideal user is a developer or company seeking reliable, scalable AI solutions with tight integration into Google services, prioritizing stability and enterprise-grade support. OpenAI SDK is a versatile software development kit designed to access OpenAI's advanced language models and AI capabilities. It enables developers to build applications with natural language processing, text generation, and conversational AI by connecting directly to OpenAI's API. The SDK supports multiple programming languages and offers flexible customization for prompt design, fine-tuning, and model selection. OpenAI SDK works by sending requests to OpenAI's cloud-based models, returning AI-generated responses that can be integrated into chatbots, content creation tools, or data analysis apps. Its strengths lie in state-of-the-art language understanding, ease of use, and continuous updates with the latest AI innovations. On the downside, it requires internet connectivity for API calls and may incur higher costs depending on usage. The ideal user is an independent developer or startup looking for cutting-edge AI language features with quick deployment and flexibility across platforms. Comparing Google ADK and OpenAI SDK reveals distinct trade-offs. Google ADK excels in enterprise environments needing deep integration with Google Cloud and a broad AI toolkit beyond language models such as vision and speech. It's best for projects requiring scalability and security within a familiar ecosystem. OpenAI SDK shines for applications focused on natural language tasks, offering unmatched language model performance and developer-friendly APIs. It suits startups or developers prioritizing rapid innovation and flexible AI-driven conversations. While Google ADK demands more setup and cloud knowledge, OpenAI SDK offers simpler access but depends on external API calls. Choosing between them depends on your project's scope, infrastructure, and AI focus. Choose Google ADK if you need a scalable, secure AI solution, tightly integrated with Google Cloud services, and comprehensive AI capabilities beyond language. Opt for OpenAI SDK if your priority is cutting-edge natural language AI with flexible integration and rapid deployment. Both kits offer strong AI foundations, so match your choice to your development goals and infrastructure for the best results.